Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is a 67 Camaro with a 468 big block under the hood. Look at this beautiful car. Gorgeous stripes on it. Love the color on it. And then the silver and this maroon color together just looking sharp as can be, man. Love the stance on the car, the whole package here. Big block under the hood, hooked up to a 4-speed. Looking beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car, so you know we did our homework before we checked it out. Take a look at those wheels and tires too, man. You want to talk about hot? This car is hot. She's a beauty, and check out the interior. Black interior in this dude. There's that 4-speed shifter and that center console. You can see that all the finishes on the dash are looking good. She is a beauty. First gen Camaro. Got great looking upholstery on the seats. Headliners looking good. We got a good looking light up there also working. Looks like it's got aftermarket dash in it also. Door jambs are nice. Look at that. Painted up good, looking beautiful. Love the stance on the car. We got great looking chrome back here also. The back bumper looks new. You always got to check the chrome around these tail lights. Let's see, I got a bunch of keys here. Of course, that's not it. There it is. Third try's a charm. Everything in here is nice and clean. Looking brand new. All the finishes down in here look good. Looks like it's got new rubber here also. We got great paint work even on the bottom side of the deck lid. Make sure you check the lips here on your deck lid all the way around. You're looking down the side, sharp as can be. Now Tommy's taking phone calls 7 days a week, so give him a call anytime you'd like and he'll tell you all about this car. We're going to get it up on the lift so you can see the bottom side. We're going to take pictures. We're going to add to the video with undersides. We're going to get it out and drive it. We're going to show you everything you need to see. Now you're catching us on YouTube right now. If you'd like to see all of our inventory, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com and make sure if you want to see more videos like this, you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell button so we can send you a notification every time we get a new car in. Let's take the 67 for a ride. Don't she sound amazing? Man, I tell you what, big block Chevy power. Sounding amazing going through those Flowmaster mufflers. Listen to this baby. And it's a 4-speed, so you can make those mufflers speak. Tell you what, everybody knows this is a badass. Now we can deliver this beautiful car anywhere in the world. You just give Tom a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you. And if you need help with financing, Got no problem helping you out with financing either. Tom can either hook you up with a banker, or you can go on our website and fill out that info on the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Now look down here on the dash. They got digital dash in the stock location. Isn't that cool? Man, it looks great. We got vintage air here. We got an aftermarket radio. Just a beauty, guys. And don't forget, we're close to the airport. So if you want to come in and check it out in person, we'd love to have you. Now, we do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, but we do invite everyone to come on out and check it out in person. We'd love to have our customers come out. We are so close to the airport that a lot of times guys can fly in the morning and fly right back out in the afternoon. And don't forget, there's a hotel right at the airport, so if you need to spend the night, it's a real easy process. You can give us a call if you'd like to come in on a Saturday and check out a car. Now we're about to do something that nobody does to all their cars in inventory. At Vanguard, we put every car on the lift so you can see the bottom side. We're going to do that for you right now. We're at our main facility here at 15100 Keel Street. All right, we're underneath this baby now, and I tell you what, she's pretty under here. Look at that tank. It's brand new. 12-bolt rear end housing, 275 gear in there. It is an open rear end. You see new brake lines. We got disc brakes back here. Looks like we got fairly new shocks. Looks like Flowmaster mufflers. And as you can see, the whole bottom side of this car is painted body color, which is very cool. These floorboards are all painted up, looking good. Looks like the exhaust is brand new. Fuel line going front to back's new. Brake line going front to back's new. Looks like the parking brake cable's new. The bushings here in the frame are new. Beautiful paint on this frame. We've got a 4-speed Muncie transmission with a stock appearing bell housing, stock appearing clutch linkage also. We got disc brakes up front, tubular control arms on the lowers and on the uppers it looks like, and coilovers holding it up. That's all upgraded. Cross members in good shape. You always want to check that out. Core support also looks good. Front frame horns look good. You can see the AC hoses down here running down nice and low, hiding them. Looking beautiful. Even that front valance is looking sweet. Now we got good looking tires and wheels on this baby. We've got 205 60-15s up front on some brand new Cragars. And as you can see, this paint work right down to the bottom edge looking good. Always feel around on the back sides of the front fenders. You can tell whether they've been patched or not. This one has not. We got a good looking pinch weld here. Bottom side of the rockers all painted up, looking good. And then we got some meat on the back, planting some horsepower to the ground. 275 60-15s here. And again, brand new Cragars. Now let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a 468 stroker. That's a big block stroked out. She's got a 4-barrel Holley. It's a dual feed. It's got aluminum intake. It's got aluminum heads. It's got stock appearing exhaust manifolds. Looks like it's got a brand new alternator on it. The firewall's been all shaved, looking good. The car does have power brakes. You can see that chrome power booster and chrome master cylinder. It does have air conditioning. That's a late model air conditioning pump. It does have power steering. We got a big aluminum radiator in it. Everything under here is nice and clean. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. Chrome valve covers, HEI distributor. This thing's ready to go, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.